Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. With Red Barron, the tuner said the AFR is crazy off the chart, and we went up here and there's a hole in the exhaust where the guy built the exhaust, left it leaking, and that's too close to the AFR, which is right there. So we got to get that exhaust leak fixed so we can get a good tune on this car. Checking out this C70 again. Needs a fender, a little dinged up. I got into a little accident, and since then it's not been shifting right. Second gear, it pops out of second gear, won't go in second gear all the time. Fourth gear is a little funny. Now we notice reverse a little funny. So the bottom of the tree is messed up, and we actually think it may be the cable. Maybe the cable's a little stretched or banged up, so we might change the cable, see if that fixes it. But this car is probably going to end up for sale. 2000 C70 with the 5-speed. Sounds great, runs real good, the engine is good. Just got a couple of dings on it. And if anybody's interested, let me know. I'll let Andrew know.
Before we bought it, I knew the manager there, his son-in-law.
Look like it's got an aftermarket pump's been leaking. A lot of cover material in there.
I'm sure the timing belt.
Timing did jump. Yeah, I could see the marks on it.
Kennedy Motors. It supposedly did.
All right, the red marks are the marks. The white marks are north. So it might have jumped a couple of tooths. The belt's hanging off of the water pump down there. There's a lot of stuff down there.
Because this here is, I personally just, the price for what we're going to charge you for trying to do that job, it's not worth it. But
belt's been coming through there for a while.
What's the possibility of a complete engine?
Yard people back at Jack's. Guess what you're not going to buy at Jack's? Take a wild guess. I'll give you a close-up. What you're not going to buy at Jack's. You're not going to buy a windshield. They putting all these cars up on top of each other, right through the windshield. So don't come down here looking for a windshield. Got it? Alright, got it. Look like got some decent BMW down here. Volkswagens. BMWs. Volkswagens. Who we got? Still got Volkswagens. Let's see if we got some Volvos down this mug. Man, he buying some Beamers. And some Volkswagens. Uh-oh, couple Jags. Some Audis mixing. Couple of Lexuses in the mix. Some Saabs. A little lizard ran by there. Uh-oh. Nice little Lexus. Let's just look around, see what we can find. Uh-oh, now we hitting the Volvo spot. Got some Volvo action. I don't know if he actually has an inventory. But, man, I'm going to crawl around and see what I can find in these Volvos. If I see anything interesting, I'll let you know. But, like I said, no windshields. This one got a key and a fob. I think I'll buy the fob out of here. Somebody might need that. See what else is up in here. No windshields. Just keys and fobs. 240. No. 60. Dang, it's a fog light. I need this fog light. Got a little bit of water in it. Looks better than any of the ones I've ever had. Maybe I don't need it since it's got water in it. Look like a non-turbo. Somebody wired something in there. Got a fuse link. Need to put one of them on Red Barron's. What's that thing called? AFR. And it's got a wing on the back. Somebody looking for a rear wing for an 850 joint. Man, black, nice looking dash. Look like a premium sound system. Look like it got wet though. A lot of water in there with the mosquitoes, cause it ain't got a windshield. Oh boy. Got a tow hitch. The lightweight style. Rear wing. Nice. Oh man, what we got down here? T5. V70. Cool. And a couple Volvos down here. Doo-doo-doo. Another 850. This one's white. Look like it's got some groceries in the trunk. Somebody needs some groceries. What we got up here? Another T5. S40. Another 850 down there. A few more 850s. Let's keep roaming around, see what we see. It's got a 960 wagon. 850 wagon. Another 850. Looks like a, I don't know, V70. 740. Couple more Volvos. Across from the Mercedes. Squaring off with the Mercedes. This 850, I think it's been down here for a while. I think this is the one I pulled the pedals and stuff out of. So this is probably a manual transmission under this hood. But man, it's locked under that 960 now. Oh man. Somebody had a nice 850 with some nice wheels on it. Guess it was NA. Yep, NA. Somebody tried to get that fuse box out. I don't even know how to do that. Black interior. Got one of them aftermarket headlights on it. Look like it's in good shape. Look like this reflector's in good shape too. Look like those aftermarket headlights as well. I'm gonna crawl up there, see if it's got one of them rear shades in it, but man, that looks dangerous. I'm gonna go for it. Look like a Nautic blue S70. Rear wing. Nice looking dash. Doesn't have a key fob in it. Doo-doo-doo. Rear wing. Look like it's rust-free. GLT, rust-free. Don't see any more Volvos, folks. Walk down this other way and get out of here. Head back to the house, have some lunch. Well, heck. Look like this fender might be good for Panther. Might have to come back and pull this fender. That looks good. Get rid of Panther's dented up fender. The skirt looks good too. Got some paint correction need to be done on that, but that may polish off. Doo-doo-doo. Hood is destroyed. Oh crap, it's got a dent up here. Nope, ain't gonna buy a fender with a dent on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.